In this video, you'll be able to learn about anterior cruciate ligament injury, one of the most important ligaments that hold the knee into position. Injuries to the anterior cruciate ligament are common in young athletes, especially in women participating in sports requiring rapid direction changes or pivoting on the lower extremity with a planted foot. A rapid, severe onset of pain with a popping sensation at the time of injury with significant swelling with fusion or hemarthrosis, which is collection of blood within the joint, causing joint instability, is seen with cruciate ligament tears. Anterior laxity of the tibia relative to the femur can be assessed by the anterior drawer test or the Lachman test. There's not much of a difference between the anterior drawer test and the Lachman test, except that in anterior drawer test, the patient is made to lie supine, whereas in Lachman test, the angulation is about 30 degrees flexion, whereas in anterior drawer test, the patient's knee is bent at 90 degrees flexion and the test is performed. Any laxity anteriorly relative to the other knee joint renders it positive. Diagnosis is made with magnetic resonance imaging of the knee to evaluate for other injuries of the knee, which can involve menisci or other collateral ligaments or avulsion of any bony segments. Treatment is with RICE measures, that is rest, ice, compression, and elevation of the joint affected, along with surgery if required.